Friends, I am back with a new and an interesting video. Today we are going to unbox a new model of VR Shinecon virtual reality headset. So this is our wonderful VR headset. So I am going to unbox this. So first there will be an outer cover, a hollow cover like this, and we need to open the box. Okay, so here is a user manual. I'll show what is inside this user manual later. So this is our virtual reality headset. So this is our box, and here is a virtual reality headset. So let's keep this all things aside. So let's open this. So this virtual, so we have a removable case, and we have two magnets here which can stick over here, and this is the thermal one where we can't feel the heat. So this sticks, and here is a dial for pupil distance adjustment. If you open this, I'm just turning this dial. For pupil distance adjustment, this really helps. And we have a frame over here and over here to keep our phone. These two are stretchable and a bit sensitive. And here also we have a magnet where this sticks here. We have another two dials over here for object distance adjustment. Like this. So it will adjust the distance between our phone and our eyes. And this lens is too hard, it is not breakable. We have a hinge over here, and we have a comfortable foam inside this bag where we can wear this. We can adjust our size also. So this is our user manual, virtual reality headset user manual. So here in this manual, all the steps and processes are given to adjust your VR headset. All the steps are given here, and there is a warning too. Here is a QR code for downloading the app of the VR headset. You can find some 360-degree videos which will be very good. And the back part of this user manual is all the sensitive parts and the lenses and the dials, as I have explained you previously, are all given over here. Thank you for watching. Make sure you do like, share, comment and subscribe.